Before we continue reading, we are going to review the questions that we need to answer on this last page. Number 6. Underline the work done by men. So you're going to drag the red line and underline. Circle the work done by women. You're going to drag the red circle to mark the text. Number 7. Why were merchants not respected in ancient China? And type your answer in the blue text box. Check for understanding. What is a major difference between Confucianism and Taoism? List the 4 classes of early Chinese society. Aristocratic families in China were wealthy. They lived on estates with walls surrounding their homes for protection. They owned large amounts of land. After a father died, his estate was divided equally among his sons. This meant that sons and grandsons ended up with much less land. Most Chinese were farmers. They lived in villages surrounded by mud walls. Outside these walls were the fields that farmers rented from aristocrats. They paid rent by giving some of their harvest to the aristocrats. Artisans are skilled workers who make useful objects. Merchants provided goods and services to the aristocrats. Some merchants grew wealthy, but they were not respected. People believed that merchants acted only for their own gain and not for the good of society. The family was at the center of Chinese society. Chinese families practice filial piety. Filial piety is the responsibility children have to respect, obey, and take care of their parents. Men and women had very different roles in early China. Men grew crops, ran the government, and fought wars. Women raised children and saw to their education. They also managed the household and family finances.